Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can find out if someone has accessed your WhatsApp account. So let's get started. First, check your chats. Open WhatsApp on your phone and go to the Chats tab. Look through your conversations and check for any messages that were sent from your account that you don't recognize. Unfamiliar messages could be a sign that someone else has accessed your account. Next, review your WhatsApp call history. Open the Calls tab and check your recent calls for any numbers or calls you don't recognize. If you find something suspicious, it could indicate that someone else has been using your account. The next step is to check your linked devices. Open WhatsApp settings and select Linked Devices. Here, you'll see all the devices currently connected to your account. Carefully review the list, and if you find a device you don't recognize, select it and choose Log Out to remove its access. Finally, enable two-step verification to add another layer of security. Go to Settings, select Account, and then tap Two-Step Verification. Choose Turn On and create a 6-digit PIN, then enter it again to confirm. You can also add a recovery email address, which can help you regain access to your account if you forget your PIN. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.